Over the past 10 years, we've seen a significant shift from the large traditional universal bank with more niche products and companies with more innovative, cheaper, faster, better product. And all of that is serving consumers with lower prices and more consumer choice.
Now we're part of the Visa family. It means that we're able to do this at scale, and we're able to work on that transition and taking open banking beyond financial services, but also making it a lifestyle change as well.
Tink is Europe's leading open banking service, and we enable banks, fintechs, merchants to build data-driven financial services and create better experiences for the customers, all on the back of this open banking infrastructure that we built across Europe. When we started Tink back in 2012, our ambition was to increase consumer choice and change financial services for the better. And we knew that if we were to open up the access to financial data, we could help reshape the future of finance. We set out to create a better and fairer financial system that puts the needs of the consumer firmly at its center. And this ambition remains at the heart of everything we do today.
Our open banking platform has a connectivity layer in the bottom, and the connectivity layer allows us to connect to thousands of banks across Europe. On top of this connectivity, we have built certain products. And the products are mainly based on two things. So the ability to do payment initiation and account data. Each product are tailored to a specific use case or a specific need. And that type of need could be everything from trying to create a better risk decisioning product or wanting to create a better end user experience or digital experience for your end users, removing friction or limiting fraud and human errors in the processes that you have currently. And all of these products that we have are exposed and delivered through one single API on our platform.
The concept of payments as something distinct starts to go away, and we see payments thoroughly embedded in the user experience that the merchant is offering their consumers. What's really unique about what Tink does in payments is we have a super low cost, low friction and instant way of making that payment happen. And because that core technology is so advanced, it then enables merchants and our partners to build much richer embedded payments experiences on top of that.
At Tink, we look at revolutionising the end-to-end of a customer experience, not just a specific area of it. And we do this specifically in three ways. So firstly, looking at onboarding, so how you're able to take identity data from customers, whether it's individuals or businesses, but using that data to streamline onboarding processes. The second way is around loan origination. So being able to understand from an applicant's transaction history, affordability, creditworthiness, and really take a data-driven approach to the way in which lenders are able to engage with their customers. And then the final area is around consumer engagement technologies. So how we're able to have specific processing, pattern recognition, but also features to be able to drive that engagement with consumers, whether it's through helping them understand their spend through categorization, all the way to actually managing that through budget, savings goals, and also insights. We have 10 years of experience of working with the most highly regulated institutions across Europe to deliver changing, transforming experiences to the partners that we work with.
Businesses that take payments seriously can really turn that into a competitive advantage. And at Tink, we have been very deliberate in choosing to partner with people who are also looking to take payments to the next level. I can give you an example of Adyen. Adyen are Europe's leading payments provider. Really innovative company. They've really been at the forefront of payments innovation for the last 10 years in Europe. And we are their partner for payments across Europe. And through them, we're able to bring our technology to a much wider audience than we would if we were operating on our own.
Tink has built a lot of connectivity, and by doing that we have established a very solid playbook on how to build new connectivity. We have the ability to reach 250 million end users. We're trying to expand that continuously, and we're doing that by both adding additional markets, but we're also looking to going deep into markets. We've gained a lot of experience here at Tink, but we've also acquired 4 open banking players over the past couple of years, and each of them have been their leaders in their local markets.
In Sweden, our payment technology is in the hands of over 2/3 of the adults of the country. In other parts of Europe, the adoption is taking off really well. UK is a very strong market, Germany, and give it another year or two, and I think we'll be in the hands of every adult in Europe.
Tink is in 18 markets today in Europe, and we certainly have global ambitions here. And with Visa, I think that we have a perfect setup for making this happen. But I think that going from a platform that is serving hundreds of millions to potentially billions of customers, that's quite a journey. And I think that's the journey we're going to be on for the coming 5-10 years.